The battlefield of tomorrow is already being shaped today. Technology is changing everything about how wars are fought. The US military, long a dominant force, is facing new challenges and opportunities. From artificial intelligence to hypersonic weapons, the race is on to master the technologies that will define the future of warfare. The year 2026 marks a critical juncture in this technological revolution. The Pentagon is undertaking a major review of its spending priorities. This review is driven by a need to stay ahead of adversaries like China and Russia, who are rapidly developing their own advanced capabilities. The outcome of this technological competition will have profound implications not only for the military, but also for the US economy and global security. This essay will explore the key technological trends shaping the future of the US military in 2026 and beyond. It will examine the economic implications of this technological arms race, as well as the potential consequences for the future of warfare. The world is entering a new era of conflict, and the US military is at the forefront of this transformation. The Pentagon is facing a difficult task. It must balance the need to maintain current military readiness with the need to invest in the technologies of the future. This is no easy feat. The US military is a vast and complex organization, and even small changes can have ripple effects throughout the system. In 2026, the Pentagon plans to reallocate a significant portion of its budget, shifting resources towards key technological priorities. This shift will see billions of dollars redirected towards areas like artificial intelligence, hypersonic weapons, and cybersecurity. At the same time, the Pentagon will be looking for ways to cut costs in other areas. This budgetary rebalancing is not without its critics. Some argue that the cuts are too deep and will undermine the military's ability to meet current threats. Others contend that the Pentagon is not moving fast enough to embrace new technologies. Congress will also have a say in the final budget, and there is sure to be a great deal of debate about the best way forward. The US Army is betting big on artificial intelligence. Project Linchpin, a centralized AI ecosystem, is at the heart of this effort. The Army envisions a future where AI is seamlessly integrated into every aspect of military operations, from planning and logistics to intelligence gathering and targeting. The goal of Project Linchpin is to create a common AI platform that can be used by all parts of the Army. This will allow for the rapid development and deployment of new AI-powered capabilities. The Army is also investing heavily in the development of generative AI, which has the potential to revolutionize military planning and decision-making. The Army's embrace of AI is driven by the recognition that future wars will be fought and won, not only with superior firepower, but also with superior information and decision-making. By harnessing the power of AI, the Army hopes to gain a decisive edge over its adversaries. Beyond AI, the US military is pursuing a range of other cutting-edge technologies. Hypersonic weapons capable of traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5 have the potential to revolutionize warfare. These weapons are extremely difficult to track and intercept, giving them a significant advantage over traditional missiles. Directed energy weapons, such as lasers and microwaves, are another area of intense research and development. These weapons offer the promise of pinpoint accuracy and near instantaneous engagement. The US military is also investing heavily in cybersecurity, recognizing that future conflicts will be fought not only on land, sea, and air, but also in cyberspace. These technologies are still in the early stages of development, but they have the potential to fundamentally alter the balance of power in future conflicts. The US military is determined to be at the forefront of this technological revolution, ensuring that it retains its technological edge over its adversaries. Section 5. The Rise of the Machines. Robotics and Autonomous Systems. The future battlefield will be populated not only by human soldiers, but also by increasingly sophisticated robots and autonomous systems. These machines will take on a wide range of roles, from reconnaissance and logistics to combat and casualty evacuation. The US military is investing heavily in the development of these systems, recognizing their potential to reduce casualties, extend the reach of military forces, and operate in environments too dangerous for humans. The use of robots in warfare also raises a number of ethical and legal questions, which the military is grappling with as it develops and deploys these systems. the development of autonomous systems, capable of making decisions without human intervention, is particularly controversial. While proponents argue that these systems will be essential for fighting and winning future wars, critics worry about the potential for unintended consequences and the erosion of human control over the use of force. Section 6. Countering the swarm drones and the future of aerial warfare. Drones have already had a profound impact on warfare, and their role is only set to grow in the years to come. The proliferation of cheap, commercially available drones has given even small groups the ability to conduct sophisticated aerial surveillance and even launch attacks. The U.S. military is investing heavily in counter-drone technology, recognizing the need to protect its forces and assets from this emerging threat. This includes the development of new sensors, jammers, and even directed energy weapons designed to neutralize hostile drones. The future of aerial warfare is likely to be defined by the competition between drones and counter-drone systems. The U.S. military is determined to maintain its dominance in the skies, even as the nature of air power undergoes a fundamental transformation. Section 7. Printing the future. 3D printing and military innovation. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is another technology with the potential to revolutionize military logistics and supply chains. The ability to print spare parts, weapons, and even entire structures on demand could reduce the military's reliance on traditional manufacturing and supply lines, making it more agile and responsive. The U.S. military is already using 3D printing for a variety of applications, from creating custom prosthetics for wounded soldiers to producing specialized parts for aircraft and vehicles. As 3D printing technology continues to advance, its applications in the military are only likely to expand. The use of 3D printing also has implications for the defense industry. The ability to print parts on demand could reduce the need for large stockpiles of spare parts, potentially leading to a more distributed and agile defense industrial base. Section 8. The economic battlefield, the cost of technological supremacy. The technological arms race is not only a competition for military superiority, but also an economic competition. Developing and deploying advanced technologies like AI, hypersonics, and directed energy weapons is extremely expensive. The U.S. government is facing mounting budget pressures, and the defense budget is likely to come under increasing scrutiny in the years to come. This could force difficult choices between investing in new technologies and maintaining existing military capabilities. The private sector is also playing an increasingly important role in the development of military technologies. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are investing heavily in AI, and their expertise is being sought by the Pentagon. This blurring of the lines between the military and Silicon Valley is raising a number of ethical and policy questions. Section 9, 2026 and beyond. A glimpse into the future of warfare. The year 2026 marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of warfare. The technologies being developed today will shape the battlefields of tomorrow. The U.S. military, long a dominant force, is facing new challenges and opportunities as it seeks to maintain its technological edge. The outcome of this technological competition will have profound implications not only for the military, but also for the U.S. economy and global security. The world is entering a new era of conflict, one defined by rapid technological change, blurred lines between the physical and digital domains, and the increasing automation of warfare. The U.S. military is working hard to adapt to this new reality, but the challenges are significant. The decisions made today about how to invest in new technologies, how to organize and train forces, and how to address the ethical and legal implications of new technologies will determine the future of warfare for decades to come.